If you're thinking about using the Credit Genie app to manage your finances, there are a few things you need to know before buying. There's no doubt this app promises a lot, but how does it really stack up against competitors? Stick around to find out the 12 key things you should consider. First, Credit Genie focuses on offering a seamless way to monitor your credit score. But while this sounds great, it's important to know that there are free alternatives that also provide this service. Apps like Credit Karma or Mint offer credit score tracking without any costs. Next, Credit Genie offers credit card management tools. You can get alerts for upcoming payments and track balances, which can be really helpful for budgeting. But compared to apps like Expensify, which also allow for better expense management, it may fall short in other areas. The third thing to know is that the app also helps you find loans and credit opportunities. This is convenient, but some users report that it can sometimes be overwhelming with its recommended options. So, while it's great to have choices, make sure you're not getting pushed into products that may not suit your needs. The fourth thing is its budgeting tools. Credit Genie does offer a simple way to set budgets, but if you're looking for detailed expense tracking and more sophisticated features, apps like YNAB, You Need a Budget, or Pocket Guard might be more up your alley. Fifth, it offers alerts for any changes in your credit report, which is a solid feature. However, the competition, like Experian, offers more comprehensive identity theft protection as an added bonus, making it a more attractive choice for users concerned about security. Next, Credit Genie offers a premium version, but with that comes a price tag. You'll get extra features like higher credit score monitoring and advanced loan options. But if you're just looking for basic features, there are other apps that give you the essentials for free or at a lower cost. The seventh point is the app's ease of use. It's fairly intuitive and user-friendly, which makes it stand out from other complex financial apps. However, the user experience can sometimes feel a bit basic compared to others that offer more advanced design and customization options, like Personal Capital. The eighth thing is its customer support. While it's available, some users report it's not as responsive as competitors like Mint, which is known for its great support. It's something to keep in mind if you're ever in need of assistance. Ninth, Credit Genie lets you track your spending, but it's worth noting that its categories aren't always as specific as you might need. Other apps, like Good Budget, provide more granular categories for tracking every expense, helping you stay on top of your spending habits in more detail. The 10th thing to consider is that the app is primarily focused on credit score management and offers fewer features when it comes to long-term financial planning. If you're looking to plan for retirement, apps like Future Advisor might be a better option, as they include retirement goals and investment planning. Next, while Credit Genie does include some investment insights, it's not as robust as others, like Robinhood or Acorns, which focus more heavily on helping you build and grow investments. If investing is your main focus, you might want to check those out instead. The 12th and final thing to keep in mind is the app's mobile experience. It's functional, but if you're looking for a truly seamless experience with advanced features, competitors like SoFi or Charles Schwab's app may offer better overall performance. All in all, Credit Genie is a good option for users looking for a simple way to monitor credit scores and track spending. But if you're looking for something with more advanced features and a deeper focus on long-term financial planning, there are definitely better alternatives out there. We recommend checking out our top solution, which offers a free trial with no strings attached.